Hi, my name is Megan and I'd recommend the Wiggly Workshop for other teachers.
Hi guys, this is Donald. I really enjoyed the event. It's actually my third time now coming and it's really fruitful, it's really educational. I would really recommend it to one and all. Please do attend. Bye!
Hi, my name is Kerry Lee and I am from Hatfield Christian School. I attended the Wiggly Workshop and I thoroughly enjoyed it. There was a lot of learning, a lot of fun and laughter, and that's just the best way to learn. So highly, highly recommended to everyone else out there who is in the ECD field that wants to learn and grow.
Hi, my name is Francina Mangayin. I'm from Eureka Autism School. We really enjoy. We would like to be here again next time.
Hi everyone, my name is Randega Shomwe. I recommend it to all novice teachers, even experienced teachers. I believe one is a lifelong learner in every aspect. So please make sure that you come to all these other workshops. They're very informative. Thank you so much.